Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into Fox Corporation's latest report, and it seems like they might be having a bit of a DJ view moment with their financials. Alright, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we spill the tea on corporate filings and make sense of all that business jargon. Today we are looking at Fox Corporation, and let's just say their latest report has some interesting echoes of the past. Stick around, because we're about to unpack what these numbers really mean for everyone's favorite media giant. And hey, if you like getting these insights without the corporate fluff, make sure you are subscribed and check out our Discord community linked in the description below. So what is this report all about? Well, it is a current report filed on February 4th, 2026. Basically, it is a heads up to investors that Fox Corporation has released their financial results for the quarter that ended on the 31st of December 2025. Think of it like them saying, "Hey world, here is how we did at the end of last year." The big takeaway here is that they are attaching a press release that details these results. Now, normally with these reports, we dive deep into mountains of financial tables, but this filing is pretty straightforward. It tells us that the company, Fox Corporation, is reporting its financial condition and results of operations. It even mentions specific share classes like US GAAP Common Class A member and US GAAP Common Class B member. These are just fancy ways of saying they have different types of stock that people own, like Class A and Class B shares. And all of this is happening on February 4th, 2026. The most important part of this filing is Exhibit 99.1. That is where all the juicy financial details are. It is a press release from February 4th, 2026. This press release announces Fox Corporation's financial results for the fourth quarter of 2025. So instead of sifting through the raw filing, the company itself has provided a summarized version directly to the public. We like to focus on what the companies themselves highlight as important. So what was in that press release that Fox Corporation put out on February 4th, 2026? Well, it covered their financial results for the quarter ending the 31st of December 2025. This is the crucial information that investors and analysts will be scrutinizing to understand the company's performance. While this particular 8K filing doesn't contain the actual financial tables, it directs us to the press release where that information resides. We look at these reports to understand how the company is doing. Are they making more money? Are they spending more money? Are they growing? Are they shrinking? It is all about understanding the health of the business. Let's talk about what the company is actually listed on the stock exchange. Fox Corporation has its Class A common stock and Class B common stock registered on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. This means that these stocks are available for anyone to buy and sell on that particular stock exchange. The tickers, or the shorthand symbols you'll see for these stocks, are FOXA for Class A and FOX for Class B. So if you ever see those symbols, you know it is referring to Fox Corporation's stock. And finally, looking at the signatures section, we see that this report is signed by Adam G. Ciongoli, who holds the title of Chief Legal and Policy Officer for Fox Corporation. This is the person who is officially saying on behalf of the company that everything in this report is accurate and has been duly authorized. And this sign off also happened on February 4th, 2026. Now, let's think about what this actually means. This filing is essentially a notification that Fox Corporation has shared its latest financial update. While the 8K itself is brief, the attached press release is where the real story lies. We need to look at that press release. Usually, these reports contain key financial metrics like revenue, profit, earnings per S-hair, and perhaps some guidance for the future. For Fox Corporation, a company in the fast-paced media and entertainment industry, these numbers are critical. They reflect how well they are doing in areas like advertising, content creation, and distribution. A strong quarter could mean their shows are a hit, their advertising sales are booming, or their streaming services are gaining subscribers. A weak quarter might signal challenges due to increased competition, changing viewer habits, or economic slowdowns affecting advertising spend. When we look at these numbers, we want to see growth. Is revenue up compared to the same period last year? Are profits increasing? Are they managing their costs effectively? For a company like Fox, which has significant investments in content and technology, understanding their expense structure is also key. Are they spending wisely on new projects, or are costs spiraling out of control? We also want to see if they are managing their debt effectively. High debt can be a risk, especially in uncertain economic times. The fact that they are highlighting their common stock classes and their listing on the Nasdaq means they are keenly aware of their public market presence. Investors are watching, and these reports are their window into the company's financial health. This particular filing as an 8K is typically used for significant events. In this case, the significant event is the release of their quarterly financial results. It is a standard procedure, but the details within that press release are what truly matter for understanding the company's current trajectory. So, to wrap it up, This filing is Fox Corporation informing the public that their latest financial results for the quarter ending the 31st of December 2025 are out. The important details are in the accompanying press release. We'll be keeping a close eye on that to see how Fox is performing in the ever-evolving media landscape. What are your thoughts on Fox Corporation's financial reporting? Do you think they are moving in the right direction based on what you might have seen in their press releases? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. And don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.